Alright guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can get your funny sound to add to your comedy as you edit. So just follow me, let's go. So you go to your cookbook room. When you go to your cookbook room and you wait, it loads, you open. It will open like this. Then you type here funny sound, Nigeria funny sound. See, this is how it is. Then you click on this one that said real money studio. Click on it. So when you click on it and you wait, it will open like this. Then you scroll down. You scroll down. This is the funny sound. You click on it. You scroll down. You scroll down. You scroll down. You scroll down. When you scroll down, then you wait. You see it here. See this one. It's still loading. You will see this one. See this one now. This one is for display. Then you click on these 3 dots. Then you see download. Then you can download to your phone. Then you go to the anyone that you want. You click on this one. And see this one now. Anyone that you want. See, so many of them. So many of them. Anyone that you want. Then you just download it. When you download it, as you edit it, then you add your funny sound. In the next video, I will show you how to edit it and add your funny sound to your edit. Thank you. Share this video. Let's